In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android randomly vibrating. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the first one is a silent notification bug. It's a known issue, and it basically causes triggers for silent alerts if you have other unread messages. So what you want to do is swipe down and clear all the notifications that you might have. And if the buzzing stops, it was likely a background app like weather or a battery monitor trying to send a silent update that the system incorrected alerted you to. So the fix for this is swiping down in the top right, going over to your settings application. Once you're here, go over to notifications. So once you go ahead and click on it, you're going to see a lot of different options. But from here, you just want to go ahead and find your notification history, which is going to be in advanced settings. And then you're going to see exactly which app is, you're getting this issue for. And then you can disable notifications for that app specifically. Now, what you want to also do is go back to your settings and then go over and find sound and vibration. Once you go ahead and find sounds and vibration, go over to vibration and haptics. And then once you're in that, look for predictive haptics. So there's going to be a bunch of different things, but once you find predictive haptics, just go ahead and toggle it off. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about.